Alright, well this video is a little different than my regular photography videos, but I'll be doing something on the A7R3 and the Panasonic G9 that I own here soon. But update on my giant sequoia tree. Unfortunately, it's dying and just about all the way dead. If you look, it kind of started from the bottom up, really, it looks like it. But, you know, the stems are just kind of turning kind of a brownish, blackish color, and there's not much green left on it. The only thing I could figure that happened to it is there's the humidity and the moisture this year overall has been more than usual. It's been raining a lot, and of course it's really humid here in the summertime near the Cincinnati, Ohio area. But I had some of the, it's normal to see some die off in the wintertime. You know, come spring, you'll see the some of these branches just never turn green again. But in this case, obviously, it's definitely dying and will be dead soon completely. So I'm just going to have to cut it down. The only thing I can think of that happened is maybe it got a fungus. I read about you know, the type of fungus or something related to that these can get, and I just think it didn't really like the humidity here and all that moisture. Now the other one I've got another one. We'll go ahead and start taking a walk over there. So this other one I have, it's actually still in pretty good shape. I'm not sure why that one there died. Maybe it just got too much moisture in the roots also. Not really sure. So this other one I have is up higher. I'll get over here soon. Take a look at that one. This is my Dawn redwood tree. That's one of my favorite trees. They were thought to be extinct, but there was a grove of them in California that was found, or not California, China, back in the 1950s, I think it was. Alright, so this one, still a little worried about this one. Looks really good at the top. But I do have some brown, you know, right in here. As long as, you know, most of the ends stay green, wouldn't really be too concerned about it, because you know, it does have some winter die off. But maybe this one's been in the air, wind a little bit more, and might have, and also not, it's not where it's planted. The roots probably won't stay as wet here. But I'm just hoping this one doesn't die too, because it looks really good. It wasn't growing as fast as the other one. Now here's a, see, this branch here kind of looks that way. Probably should get the pruners and prune that off, because that's pretty tough. Maybe just remove anything that looks brown and dead. But yeah, so unfortunately the other one is, it's gone. It's a shame. That was my best one too. I do have a few more seeds I could grow, but it's kind of a long process to baby them all winter with a grow light, and then plant them outside in spring. But I may go ahead and do that, and maybe plant the other ones up here on the top, so there's top of the ridge where there's more wind blowing. And if it was a fungus, you know, maybe it wouldn't get the fungus this time. You know, still that not as much moisture up here. So that's it. Unfortunately, the good redwood that was just under 3 years old and growing like a weed is pretty much dead now. Hoping this one makes it. Alright, thanks for watching.